Let's discuss what kind of software do we need for developing Web API. First of all, we need an operating system. You can use either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Then we need to install .NET Core SDK 5. At the time of recording this video, I am going to use .NET Core SDK 5, the latest version. Then we need an editor. You can use you can use Visual Studio 2019 or Visual Studio Code, but you are free to use any other editor that is available in the market. Then for storing data, we need a SQL Server database, and for executing the query, basically for accessing the database, we need a SQL Server Management Studio. And then finally, we need a Postman. Postman is basically a tool that is used for testing Web API in the browser. Postman is basically used by the tester or developer for testing of Web API in the browser. Then we need a Swagger. That's an inbuilt feature available in the .NET Core SDK 5. Once we install once we install .NET Core SDK 5, this will get automatically installed. And as I told you, we can use Windows OS or Mac OS or Linux operating system. You are free to use any operating system, whatever you want to use. But for this playlist, I am going to use Windows 10 operating system for development of Web API. So let's begin a new journey on learning Web API.